Abbreviation. An abbreviation is a shorter form of a word or phrase, made by removing some letters. It helps save space and time. USA is an abbreviation for United States of America. Abbreviations are useful when writing notes quickly. The teacher explained that an abbreviation helps us write faster without changing the meaning of the word. Our teacher told us that learning common abbreviations, like ASAP for as soon as possible, helps us understand text messages and signs more quickly. Short form, a quicker way to say something. Initials, the first letters of words used together. Symbol, a sign that represents something. Other similar words, code, shortcut, acronym. Full form, the complete word or phrase. Expanded version, the longer form of something. Detailed word, a word written fully, not shortened. Other opposite words, explanation, full name, full spelling.